Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my kitchen. I hope you all are well. Today I am going to be sharing with you how I prepare granolas for my family. Sorry, I've been so busy lately that even having time to sit down to film video and edit it properly and do the voiceover is a bit of a challenge. But I thought, you know what, maybe it's okay to just share most of raw footage with minimal editing as well. Maybe people would actually love to see that more. So enough of the talking. On this countertop here, I already have most of my ingredients out, so if I remember anything I will run and go and get it. But hey, look at my sunflower seed. There are waffles inside it. This is one I battle it with here in the tropical weather. Things can easily survive no matter what you do. Please let me know if you have any other suggestion for keeping weevils out of your stuff. So I have here my sunflower seed, I have my almond slices, I have my walnut, desiccated coconut, plain, no, it's not sweetened or anything. I have my oatmeal, I have my cinnamon powder, I have salt here, I have my raw honey. I don't like to use sugar in my granola, and that's part of the reason I don't like buying granolas, because I can control what I put in, and I think you should also try it. It is very easy to make. Yeah, so we're going to be needing some vanilla extract, cinnamon, I think I mentioned that earlier. I like to add cranberries, dried cranberries. You can use raisins, and some oil. Like I said earlier on, it is very, very easy. You can come up with your own composition. You decide to add other nuts and seeds into yours. I won't bore you with much talking now. I'll just put some music while I measure out and get out all my ingredients. I'll go ahead to measure my wet ingredients. So I measure the quantity of oil that I use so that I don't use too much, because I don't. Oh, that's exactly 3 tablespoons of oil, so which is perfect for me. So now I'm going to be adding in my honey. So you want to add as much or as little as you want. So it's as simple as this, all mixed together in. Sorry, I've come to my camera again. It stopped recording while I was mixing it in. So this is all mixed in, and like I said, it is very, very adaptable. You can decide what nuts, what seeds you add in. You can decide to take out 1 or 2. You can decide to replace it with, or add, or even add more. So this is what baked granola is looking like, and it smells super amazing. The vanilla and the cinnamon is just the right, they're just the right spices for this. So now I'm going to place this in my baking sheet, and I'll place it in the oven to bake. But yeah, come with me, let's do this together. What we're going to do now is to scoop this over, and then we're going to be baking. I hope this baking tray is not too small. If you're still watching this video, thank you so much for sticking with me. Really, really appreciate you. It's not the most glamorously edited video. Thank you so very much for sticking with me. God bless you real good. Do not forget to hit that like button. If you haven't already liked this video, please like the video. Don't just watch. You will click that like button after watching this video if you're not a witch. And I know I know you're not a witch. If you're not a witch, you will click that like button, because it doesn't cost you anything to like a video that you've taken, you know, some time to watch, and don't just watch in silence. You're not a ghost, okay? Please, you know, jokes apart, please like this video, comment, help me to share. It's a lot of hard work making videos. Sometimes, you know, you make the video and it doesn't turn out right and you have to redo the video, or sometimes you think you're filming like I did just now and your camera is off, and you know, we still continue. Yes, you didn't send me to be doing that, but at least, you know, it doesn't hurt to pay it forward, encourage somebody else, and whenever you're doing something, someone will encourage you to and support you. So please like this video if you have not already liked and you're watching, even if you don't want to comment. Like, I'm going to be baking for about 24 minutes at 175 degrees. Here we have it. The granola is ready. The edges, I think I spread this a little bit thinner than the middle, but it's okay. So all add to the crunch. And I just like to add my cranberry at this point. You don't have to, you can just mix it in later, but I just love to do this. I'm just going to leave it to cool down for some time, and then I will come back and pack it up. But for now, this is how I leave it to cool down. And so, like I said, you can always add whatever you like and however you like it. I'll come back later on to let you see how it is. I'll mix it and then pack it together with you. Before you leave right now, please click that like button, okay? Leave me a comment, and if you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe to this channel. Please do subscribe, and I'm sure you will love it here. So my granola has finally and totally cooled down now, and I'll just give it a little stir so that you see what it all looks like. I'm happy with the outcome. I mean, I do have some overcooked edges, but that's the importance of actually making sure that you lay your granola evenly. So the edges were a bit thin, so that was why those kind of overcooked. So this is what we have. Yeah, I'm going to be, I think I'll take this off. These are the buns. So, I mean, I could mix it in if I wanted, but I think I'll just take it out. This is what the close-up of our granola looks like. Sometimes my family just snack on it. Sometimes we add it to our yogurt. And yeah, there you have it. I'll go ahead now to pack it. I have a few containers that I'm going to be using to pack it up, and we're going to pack that up together, and then I will be saying goodbye shortly. I hope you've enjoyed watching today's video. If you're still watching up till now, thank you very much for sticking around. Really appreciate you. God bless you. Please don't forget to hit that like button. Leave me a comment as well. Help me to share. Please encourage me, okay? As you encourage me, may God encourage your heart also. And that will be really helpful. So here we go. Here are my 2 jars of homemade granola filled with nutty goodness, lot of nuts, lot of seeds that are beneficial to our health, and made with honey, raw honey, no sugar. So I don't think you can get it any better than this. And I hope you've enjoyed watching today's video. Apologies if it's not as perfect as you would have loved it, but please forgive me. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.